Hi everyone, it's David from MathCEO, and I'm going to explain how to do this, finding the probability that you have the buses, that if we have two buses pass, we know the chance of being on time of one of the buses being empty is 5 out of 9. So it's 1 out of 3 chance that the buses are not full, and a 2/3 chance that the buses are full. So then the question is, if we have 3 buses, what's the chance that we'll be able to board one of those buses? And you can do that with a tree diagram. So the way that the tree diagram works is that you draw for the first bus, we can draw these 3 lines, and then each of these F's is a full bus that we can't get on, and each of these E's is an empty bus that we cannot get on. And then if we do the same for the second bus, we have to do 3 drawings, 3 legs for each possibility. And then if we repeat this, so this is 2 buses, and you can see that these that if there's an empty, there's 1 empty here, there's 1 empty here, that there is 1 empty here, there's 1 empty here, and then these 3 would be empty and we'd be able to get on. So that's how we get 5 out of 9. And then if we do this for the third bus, so we do 2 fulls and 1 empty for each bus, and you can maybe not use empty, but or N for not full. I used E. You don't have to because it's more specifically. And then we can just count that we have that this has an empty bus, so we can count this one, or we can count this has 3 fulls, this has 3 fulls, this has 3 fulls, this has 3 fulls. These all have an empty. So we've made 9 X's. We can count this has an empty, this has an empty, and then this has an empty, and then this has an empty up here. So we can count all of these. So if we count the X's, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then we will have 9 here. So the probability of being able to get on a bus, if there are 3 buses, is 19. And then the total number of things, if you count the ones that we didn't count, is 27, because there are 3 options for the first times 3 options for the second times 3 options for the third. So we get 19 over 27 as the probability that we can make a bus, that there will be a bus that is not full. Okay, so have a nice day and see you all soon.